Drishti is a product designed for the blind to identify currency notes on the basis of their size. The following clip describes how to use the product. Open the template and hold it in your left hand such that you find a groove on the lower right hand side of the template. Now you have flaps on the opposite side of the groove and at the bottom. You can find 3 steps at the top edge of the template. All the currency notes can be classified into 3 categories: old notes, low denomination; old notes, high denomination; and new notes. Firstly, find the category of the note using the width of the template and then determine the denomination by using the steps. Now, place a note in the flaps such that it aligns with the bottom and left edge of the template. Check its alignment on the right edge. If it aligns with the groove inside, it is an old note of denomination either 10 or 20. If this note aligns with the lower step, then its denomination is 10. If it aligns with the middle step, its denomination is 20. If it is wider than the template, it is an old note of denomination either 50 or 100. If this note aligns with the middle step, its denomination is 50. If the length goes beyond the template, its denomination is 100. If it is aligned with the right edge of the template, it is a new note. If it aligns with the lower step, then its denomination is 50. If it aligns with the middle step, its denomination is 200. If it aligns with the higher step, its denomination is 500. If the length goes beyond the template, its denomination is 2000.